Okay, now I'm recording. I'm recording.
I'm recording.
Okay.
You should have had it point towards the fire.
Good evening, YouTube friends. This is Jim. Thanks for visiting my channel. Whoa. Well, we're making s'mores tonight, and I'm going to show you how I do it. I do it differently than everybody else. I think it was my wife's idea to do it this way, and I think it's better. So I'll show you. Just sit back and relax, and I'll show you. Okay. So there's my marshmallow, nice and toasty. A lot of people get graham wafer crumbs.
No.
No?
Graham wafers.
Graham wafers. A lot of people get graham wafers and put a piece of chocolate on it. And that's fine, except for you go to bite it and you get a big chunk of chocolate in your mouth. So what I do is I buy these cookies here, and they're called digestive. Peak. What's that say?
Cream. Digestive cookies.
Peak.
Cream.
Peak cream.
Okay,
Anyways, I buy these here, and they're chocolate on one side. So I put my marshmallow in there. It saves me having to buy a box of chocolates as well. And then when I pull this thing out, there we have it, a s'more. And every bite, you get some chocolate. And there she is. So,
it's still just as messy.
next time you have some s'mores, do it like this. Better. And I actually think they taste better too. It's a little messy, but it's just part of the campfire life. Anyways, thanks for watching. Two thumbs up. Have a great day. Talk to you in the next video.